I made a full short film of the Odyssey using Seedance 2.5, and I didn't write a single complicated prompt. Not one. This is only possible because of Topview AI's brand new film studio, a feature that turns an idea into an actual movie. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to use it so you can make the film you've been imagining. But stick with me all the way through, because the editing feature I show near the end is the thing that makes this a real filmmaking tool, not a toy. Let's build it. So I went to Claude and asked if it knew about the Odyssey 2026 film. The full story, what actually happens. Claude went and did the research and gave me a complete summary. Now here's the important part. I then asked it, act as an expert prompt engineer and an award-winning Hollywood action fantasy director. Based on this story, give me a 2 to 4 minute short film, and more. You can pause here and grab the text, or write your own better version. It analyzed everything and gave me a full, detailed prompt and structure, with the story prompts included, so I copied that. Now go to Topview AI, and look at this. You get every latest model here, Seedance 2.5, Minimax H3, WAN 3.0, all the popular ones. You'll see the new film studio banner and featured cases. Loads of creators have already posted films and videos here, so there's a lot you can learn just from browsing those. But we're going to use the new film studio, from the left menu. This is genuinely a good tool for filmmakers. If you use it properly, you can actually make a film with it. You'll see plenty of templates here to get an overview of what's possible. Now create a project, and you get a full canvas with an agent chat interface. In the canvas, you can make images, videos, ads, short films, and more. And in the agent chat, you'll see skills you can use to make your film better. There's one for film, one for marketing, and others. So now, just paste in that prompt we copied from Claude. Or honestly, you can paste a simple idea, and it'll turn that into a film. All you have to do is direct it. Watch what I'm doing here. Don't skip. Hit generate. The agent analyzes everything and comes back with a full response. The story, the main character, the locations, all in detail. Then it generates a style card, so you can see how the theme will look visually before it makes any video. Here's the first style image. And honestly, I didn't like it. So I just told the agent that. It regenerated a new style card. And look at this one. That's what a movie actually looks like. Beautiful visuals. And notice, after every generation it asks you, if it's all good, type continue. If you want something changed, just tell it. So I typed continue. And now it starts building all the prompts for the characters, the locations, and the objects used in the movie, adding them all into the canvas in one go. Look at this. We're directing, not writing prompts. And in the background, it's using models like Claude Fable 5, Opus 5, and Kimi. Now look at these character images. Beautiful. And it's using the best image model, GPT Image 2. Here are the environment images. Tell me in the comments if these aren't awesome. All good. So I typed continue again. And now it starts building scene-by-scene video prompts and adding them straight to the canvas. And if you want, you can switch the model here to Fable 5, Opus 5, Kimi. Every model's available. This is really awesome. Now look, it's made all the scene prompts and dropped them into the canvas. So I asked it about continuity. How do I maintain scene continuity so the next scene continues from the previous video and frame? And it gave me a full explanation of how it works. Here's what it does. It generates scene 1, extracts the character's voice, and then whenever it's needed in any other scene, it uses that as a sample. So your character's voice stays the same throughout the entire film. And wherever a scene needs to continue from the previous one, it extracts the last frame and uses that to build the next scene from exactly that point. The workflow is genuinely awesome. I typed continue, and it started making scene 1. Let's wait for the output.
"20 years. And the sea still isn't finished with me."
And honestly, I was really happy with this. One go, no cuts, no edits, 30 seconds of a perfectly continuous scene. So that's how I'll build all 9 scenes. Now, you're probably wondering what building 9 scenes actually costs. So let me tell you about the offer, because it changes the maths completely. If you're on Topview's Ultra Annual Plan, you get 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5 generations. Unlimited. And on top of that, 365 days unlimited on WAN 3.0, Minimax H3, and GPT Image 2. And if you're generating outside that, Seedance 2.5 runs at 12 cents per second. So building a full short film like this, with all the retries and regenerations you'll actually need, it's genuinely affordable now. Anyway, let's keep building.
Now here's something useful. If you right-click, you get a list of options. Generate images, generate videos, and every latest video model is available right there. So if you don't want to use the agent at all, you can build the entire film manually with your own prompts.
Look at this. Scene 2 is created, and the audio has been extracted too. The agent will use that as a reference whenever it needs it. Now, what if you want to edit just one part of a video? Because for one small change, you don't want to regenerate the whole thing. That costs you way more. So click on your video, and at the top you'll see some options. Click on Clip Edit. Now you get Edit with Marks, where you can select any object you want to replace or edit. So I want to change this supporting stick. Select Rectangle, click Add to Chat, and it adds that as a frame so you can type your prompt. But actually, this isn't the best way, because it'll regenerate the entire video just to edit that one object, even though the stick is only visible at the start. So go back. From here, you can select just a portion of the clip. I selected up to the point where the stick is visible, only 12 seconds. Then click Edit with Marks, and now it's only showing those 12 seconds. Select the stick, upload your new reference stick image, and tell it, can you change the supporting stick to look more ancient, like in this image? Then start editing. Wait for the result. Look at that. Beautiful. It edited only the stick. Everything else is exactly the same. Next up, you can also edit the prompt directly from the canvas itself. And you get so many filmmaking tools in here. There's Style, where you can choose a look for your video, Color Palette, Hyper Neon, whatever fits. Same with Camera Work. You can direct it to dolly in or out, track to the bottom. And there's a camera option where you choose your camera, your lens, your focal length, your aperture, or just pick the recommended one if you're not sure. This is a real filmmaking tool. You'll make better films if you actually know this stuff, but no problem if you don't, because the agent handles it for you. Now go to any image, and you'll see more options. Enhance the portrait to 2K or 4K, and expression control, which detects the face, so you can change the expression in your image and reuse it wherever you need. And here's another important one for filmmakers. There are ready-made skills that help you achieve specific things in your film, like an actor expression enhancer. Let's try it. It opens in the canvas, click on Skills, and look at all of these. Skills for film, for marketing, and more. You can make ads and film shots with these. UGC ad videos, actor expression enhancer, loads more. Just select one, type your prompt, and the agent handles everything. It'll ask you some questions, so read those carefully. And then, look at these results. Now tell me honestly, is this a real filmmaking tool or not? Let me know in the comments if you've watched this far. So our full film is done. You can download everything one by one and take it into your editor to add your own creativity, sound effects, transitions, and then you've got a proper film. But don't think it just hands you a finished movie from one idea. It still needs your creative power. That's the part that's still yours. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.
20 years, and the sea still isn't finished with me.
Your father is bones on a beach somewhere, boy. Poor.
Say his name one more time.
Whoever you are, you eat before you talk. That's the law in this house. It used to be. Whose dog? A dead man's.
It's you.
Say my name and I bury this whole house.
My hands, mistress. Only my hands. String this bow. Put one arrow through all 12. Do that and I'll walk out of this house on your arm.
And if nobody can?
Then nobody takes what was his.
Let the beggar try.
The wine's got him.
I've held worse. The bow knows me.